This is a village in southern Ecuador, which has long been rumored to be home to the fountain of youth. Stories of exceptional longevity here began with a census in the 70s that listed an extraordinary number of centenarians in its population. Teams of scientists flocked to the village, eager to discover the secrets to its residents' long lives. Instead, they arrived at a much less mythical conclusion. It turned out that the villagers had a bit of a tendency to exaggerate. So, stories about this village may have been a little bit inflated. But human life expectancy has jumped by several decades in the last century. But this doesn't mean that we're staying young for longer. As we age, we become more at risk for all kinds of illnesses, with statistics for cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disease all expected to soar in the coming decades. To combat this, one new avenue of aging research is taking its inspiration from the animal kingdom. Animals display a vast diversity of lifespans. Some, like the fruit fly, can only live for a few weeks, while others, like the Greenland shark, can live for several centuries. Studying the mechanisms these species have evolved to achieve such lifespans can help to reveal the solutions that evolution itself has found for the problem of aging. And because processes of aging are often highly similar across different species, discoveries made in diverse animals can help us to find strategies for healthy aging in humans. Now it's time for me to admit something to you. I too have been to this village in search for the secrets to long life. But I wasn't interested in its human inhabitants. The lush rainforest surrounding this village is home to a group of butterflies known as heliconias, famous for their striking wing patterns, but also for being some of the longest living butterflies in the world. While most butterflies can only live for a few weeks, heliconias can live for at least up to 6 months, with some reports putting that figure at nearly a year. I've returned from the tropics with genetic material from hundreds of these butterflies from different age points across the lifespan. I'm planning on getting into the nitty-gritty of their DNA to see if it might hold the answers as to how they've managed to live for so long, and to see if we might be able to find something that could help to direct the search for human therapeutics. So, might this village's famous fountain of youth actually be found in the DNA of its butterfly population? Probably not. Aging is a complicated process, and there's no single simple secret to keeping us staying youthful forever. And my research is really quite exploratory, so much to the disappointment of my 90-year-old grandma, I'm not promising instant solutions. But studying how long life has evolved across the animal kingdom can give us fundamental insights that might one day help us humans also age more healthily. No magic necessary. Thank you.